student. Today in the previous lesson we have talked about the resource available to the family, unit 7, and I have asking you some question about the resources, how we use resources, and what is the help of the resources and needs of the resources and types of resources. Today we are going to discuss about the resources and types of resources. So, my dear students, as we study in the previous lesson that resources are the needs of the human beings and the needs that fulfilling the needs and attaining our goals. So today we are going to discuss about types of resources. There are two types of resources, human resource and non-human resources. Okay, one. Now we are going to discuss about the human resource. What is human resources? Human resources means that a kind of resource which are confined in our skill and abilities, or whatever we are able to do and attain to income our resource. So today we are going to discuss what is human resources. My dear students, see, resource haibada human resources hairaganda ki confused angai karim paulaite aduga kana gumba mana khanbaganda human resource haibisi karino na confused pa yai adubu human resource haibisi mi khuding mak nai khui hai singba aina tawbu ngamba aina uppa ngamba aina ngamba aduga aina karigumba uthok jaba ngamba aingonda yawiba resource sibu mi khuding mak human resources aina khangnagani. Human resources, that there are some human resources, types of human resources, that knowledge, energy, time, skills and abilities, attitude and interest. Let us see what is knowledge. Niyoiba human resource knowledge haiba number 1 ta ama yawi. Asi knowledge si karino haiba matang da hanba knowledge ki matang da tanasi. Knowledge haiba si niyoiba khuding makta Gyan Lausing, resource that individual for doing a particular work. This is a continuous process. Ekuna abakuting mak tawba matamda knowledge ay bisi dakale. Aduga as in the knowledge, ekuna knowledge ki matang na study tawba. Example, housewife amana kariu mamana food nutrition aduga chinja ki kanaba kari shimlaga nutrition oigada chinja no haiba khangba. Housewife amana imung member khuding makli mapung oiba nutrition oiba chinjak sumana daily apply semlaga piba ngambani asina adugumba oiragadi masu knowledge laiba housewife amagi knowledge kana gumba khramana thomba thakpa haitaba laigini kana gumba khramana larik takpa haigini kana gumba khramana phi saba magi knowledge magi haisingba khenaraga su masagi yum aduda mi aduda ikuna knowledge laiba Sijinaba matam da ikuli thabak khuding makta particular bak khuding makta knowledge ni mati continuous tawbani. Next, energy habisi pangan. Energy means important resources amani ko. Energy habisi su important resources amani. It is required for doing various work physically or mentally. Energy habisi dekuna thabak khuding makta tawbo matam da physically or mentally energy chami. Then it is important to manage our energy while working or properly working. Energy save means even energy rest energy body function energy energy I pangan I when we are energyless, energy like the moment of the you cannot study or do anything what you want. Other than energy, which they can pangan the valley, energy out there, lighting pangan energy the valley, Adigi, Habakuting Tobomatan the energy the valley. I win a sack the energy like the Tabakobom there. Aduna, as I am telling a young wife and a see the Putana in a penny, Shikari no gun, energy days of the Pomatan. aduna energy habisi de koina manghan ba yade adi energy manghan ba kamaina manghan ba yade kana thabak tawda dimasi energy sijinai da makta properly koina dana daga matam chana tawbo matam da energy se shake hoy da mi plus shad so wa ban khadani next time habisi we have only 24 hours in a day. So time is very limited and time is equal in all of us. Matam hai sri nang damak asam tongan matam lai te damak mat atopo matam lai te sa mana ko matam ne duna matam hai sri akhi loin mana sa mana na phanguni na matam sitana patare adigi aina tongda thabak ting mak time planning sing patare adi aina karigumba aina thabak tawgini heradi mapung phahan ge heragadi ai matam chana thabak siloi ge he pataragadi we have to make time plan aduga akhuna karigumba thabak khuding mak time plan jawdana tawragadi thabak khuding mak se left off means I tawba nang lagoi korean ai asi pung khai only 30 minutes I want to study English example nakhoi time routine da nang study tawda ba English math science social science asi timing same laga karigumba if you can't follow that time then you will left out some subject without study aduna ngasai gi life paba matam su time plan si amna taka lai aduga karigumba nupi ama housewife amana su imung gi thabak kuding maksi nangna nabigi damak time manage haiba tai adigi time manage haita ba taragadi ngasai gi mana tawdaba thabak masing thajurasu thabak miyam laiba imung chigi housewife amagi tawpam thopa thabak kuding maksi ma nangdana just matam hokin aduga karigumba matam asi akona yamna maru oina thamba tai we have to keep time important of the times in our minds otherwise we should not attain our goal so time planning is also very important we should utilize proper time to get our goals aduna time habisi so many important next skills and abilities habisi aikoigi hai singba amasung aikoina tawba ngamba thabak ni ko adurdi skill and ability yaudana akoi thaba amta tawba ngamaroi maramdi amukasu aigi skill and ability saisi in our family there are many members maybe 4 members or 5 members or 6 or 7 ma oining ba members ne am oibe ya adu aikoigi skill and ability siloi ma differences oigini manaroi maramdi aikoigi skills and ability habsi kana go makhra mana thi saba haigini kana go makhra mana kon tu ba haigini khra mana embroidery habi ya khra mana teaching habi ya ma family member da lai bakra kana go ba amana repairing some maybe electric mai shemba habi ya na tra kari pocha ai shemba su habi ya aduna skills and ability imung kuding mak ai mana de member shida adu karigumba ikuna masigi thabak kuding maksi all the family are not capable of doing all the jobs but if a family member can do minor repairs karigumba asida thabak kuding mak mana de hairagasu family imung se kana gumba kramana kon tu ba hairaba adi phi tu ba hairaba natraga phi sa ba hairaba what chai shemba hairandi akhi mingon da chala tingda ba paisa se imung gi oina save tawran aduga adugi save dona akoi atopa utilization tawbi ya maramdi skills and ability have da akoi gi ahai singba imung kuding mak ki member kuding mak we are not same so skills and ability have issue imung da yam na darkar oi plus imung kuding mak ki haiba skills and ability so manade aduna akoi kuding mak ki family ki hai singba adu kuding mak na akoi money chakadap se we have to save our money for our families and adu save tawbishina we can utilize to other activities other the soft skills and ability hai bishidini kuding mak ki human resource manung shida skills and ability yawi then next the attitudes hai the point of views means what we are going to think and karigumba akhina pot ama asi tawrage heba ama khalaga de positive thinking khalta tai ko positive attitude leba yai tai na jadi akhui we cannot attain our goals akhui na negative thinking la pa matam da akhui our hindrance oiba yai. And next the attitude haibashida akhuina management of home is affected by the attitude of the family. Means akhui ki imung da leba akhui loi maki members khuding maki apamba afaba positive oiba matam da akhui loi maki home management da akhui yamna numaina natraga akhui chalaina da imung shi kana bo oibidamni plus akhui imung shida just harmony laibidamni. Then kanagumba amana ashidi phate naja ashi tawde harasu just nangna positive thinking oiragadi positive attitude lairagadi madudi dum mind tawde aduga karigumba nangna nangi aim, if you have some aim and goals, then you have to think positive attitude. Then next the last interest. What is interest? Interest means abiloi mangna hai interest haibadi abin as ai wakan thamoi ming chang ai asi bonara ge haiba matamda then interest lairagadi ai tawning ba khudingma interest yauna tawning ba yai. Then interest, last interest, if the student doesn't want to study and if the student does not have any interest, how he or she will study and how he will learn about the topic of these lessons. So interest actually, its interest motivates us to attain our goals and perform, help in achieving goals easily and quickly. Interest yauragadi khudingmak sinang ilai lai nang ngamgani then nang yam thuna su haiba ngamgani thuna su nang yaubu ngamgani adugo interest laitragadi nang na tawdab si khangna nang tawningragadi madu su ai nang yaubu ngamroi tawningba thangingba nangi goal nang na tawningba asi khudingmak sinang thungba ngamroi aduna ngasagi interest lairagadi automatically nang na tawning ba thabak si dum masana dum olagla nang dum thangpa ngamgani tanpa ngamgani just dan tawba ngamgani aduna interest specify our works akhui ki thabak khuding mak si interest hai basina ma mateng pangi ko. Then karigumba kanagumba student ama natraga yum housewife ama natraga any worker ama dusu mai tawda ba thabak da mana interest yaudde manga serious ai yara ai talai matam talai na dusu ai na re na ma dum ma delay to mai ama chira dum karino to kini ma delay to kini adi yaura noi ma adum lep kini aduna kari ma de interest na ai da kwai di thabak ding ma asi thabak ding ma pang ko matam da interest asi ma su yam da kani aduna. Now we are discussing about human resources. Human resources, the knowledge, energy, time, skills and abilities, attitude, interest. Then, asida ahi question amu so hangba ya. Maramdi asigi unit 7 the 8 marks pibani. 8 marks piragadi maybe 7 marks amaga 1 marks am hangba ya. Some the marking system the 8 marks oragadi akhuna asida 7 marks amaga 1 mark asidi 8 oire adi long answer means asida so long answer hangbiyai human resources hai basida kari hangbiyai magi knowledge, energy, time, skill and ability, attitude, interest sida explain do hai raga hamchi yai. Then now 7 marks amaga 1 marks amaga hamchi yai. Then akhuna mo 8 marks sunabi damakta kari gumba sida 3 marks amaga 2 marks amaga adigi 1 marks sumaina hamusu ya adidi magi sida leiba 8 marks si thuna nabi damata adi kari humba sida 3 ga 4 ga ama hanglasi khalasi 4 ma amaga 3 amaga hangdi 7 layer plus 1 marks then masi shodu 8 marks la aduna ngasai 8 marks singlaba chapter nina every long answer so power time means essay type question 7 marks piba ani 1 mark piba 3 mark 4 mark 2 marks learn what study do ko tai. Then ashida now we are discussing this human resources ki matanga knowledge, energy, time, skill, ability, attitude, interest loira. Then what is knowledge haibada kana knowledge si karino hina amuka so every question wahang hangbo yai knowledge si kalino ina aku wahang hangbi yai na jaga knowledge si magi explain PBI then energy si kalino HBI masai the energy si kalino haide then time si kalino skill and ability attitude interest samlam na explain the human resources sai matam da masigi makai sa explanation pigidam masai knowledge energy time asi loi maksi then asi the slow answer ma HBI then one marks so asigi magi just energy define energy what is energy have we can answer is a 1 mark question is from here aduna masai human resources asida question si sumen arise so the long answer type ki ama arise so ya de si any topic sila 1 be questions from here so human resources hai bisi de ko lang masai resource hai basi ki types of resource the two types of resource like human and non-human now we are finishing above human resources then now we will continue to non-human resources. Non-human everyday mioi bada again non-human resources si kalino everyday yaw ba hemsi. Then everyday samna mioi ba everyday ishada everyday mioi ba humans da money paisa hemsi masana yaw. Te adu knowledge ai ko ishada yaw ri ko. Adu na masagi energy knowledge time hemsi everyday matam si lon agina si sijinable or next non-human resources discuss also. Okay. Money, non-human resource, the number 1 the money, number 2 the property and material goods, and number 3 the community resources. Then, what is money? Money hai basically no. What is money? Let us discuss about money. Money hai basically anything that we can purchase by money. Again, a pot laying ba chaning ba any pot loy maksi paisa na lay gidabni aduga layne na bani aduga money habisidi inung khuding makta every family does not have equal money. Some family have abundance of money and some family do not have money and some family have less money. And money habisidi paisa habisidi karino habugan only for purchase of goods. Ahuna laiba yaba pot khudimak na paisa na lay kitabni paisa lay jagadi any pot ahuna laiba yaba. Then money habisidi a kind of resources makal amani mas. Aduna masai money habisidi kari damak ta paisa si darka lay no healthy akhoi requirement hamna na bi damak ta paisa darka lay plus money is where did money come from. Adu muka paisa si kadadi la kadabno hairagadi salary oiba yai adigi akuna bonus panglak pe oiba yai interest pesa thadok pe oiba yai natraga ngasai ni mana one day earning tawra panglak oiba yai magi money resources magi la pam to man badi la oiraga su pesa kadai de sijinagani aduga pesa kadai de la ai he doga ngasai hojiki resources money sources the thopam gi pesa la pam gi matang hailagadi masai ekoi Hangiba tolop degi natraga mana nong mana shuraga phamjaba paisa khra degi natraga mai bonus interest adu degi loan sources degi la ya then money si for what purpose money si sijinagani helagati only for purchases of goods which are available or which are needed in our requirement in our families adu money hebisidi only for purchase oil plus money habisi ko imudi mak mana na laite habisi ko na khamlani. Then next come to the property and the material goods. Property and material goods means property land from ai the lady ba pochai oibe yai land from oibe yai na sisi non human resources. Example the property issue aduna there are two types of properties. Properties ai bagata ngasai properties ai movable and immovable. Adum koibu puraga natraga thanglaga kadai na su chatpa yaba again amana pura thangla chatpa yaba properties. Two types of properties like one. Then what are properties? Properties si kalino hairagati samna yum da lady ba yum da apina thamni ba ahi poche maybe jewelries oiba yai or kari TV oiba yai refrigerator oiba yai furniture oiba yai everything apina thamni ba yum da thamni si properties si ko. then masi properties miyam si kari taunungai gino heganda kanana ngamme kadai da kamai na pura e heragadi it purchased by the money asi loan maksi lan thum se pe paisa na leira pura ko aduna lan thum kuding maksi yum da paisa na leira pura mini adi kari mo masai properties da paisa na leira pura le thang ya ba movable oi ya ba immovable oi ya ba adi sam na se adu impon se a da yum hong la sai ganda इनको से पूरा चल पे यार अदु वो यूम द लेरी बा प्रॉपर्टीज मूवेबल प्रॉपर्टीज अतै से कोई थांगला चल पे यार को अदिगी अखोई द लेरी बा अखोई यूम से है त थांगला पूरा आ चल पे यार नते देन मास मूवेबल इमूवेबल है बगा मूवेबल है से प्रॉपर्टी मखल अनि ले असि मनोई खंजिलो को देन 3 द कम्युनिटी रिसोर्सेस अखोई हे कम्युनिटी रिसोर्सेस है बता अखोई मियाम की प्रया मियाम की रिसोर्सेस मखल अमसु लई करीनो है बगांदा लाइट गवर्नमेंट स्कूल हॉस्पिटल्स पब्लिक लाइब्रेरी वाटर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी मियाम की सामने से अखोई एग्जांपल प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल सपम मतमदा we used to give fee for 300 or 400 like this government sarkar isi government hospital se sapam tamda ticket 10 rupees ai kagi kengi or any government school se sapam tamda private school degi government school da legi ba dimi magi pesa oiro loima khelei phang aduna masai akuna phangbi ba community resource da miyam na dongan na private pesa tingkana te ko aduna community resources hairagadi kari no hairaga akuna masida हाइरिबा गवर्नमेंट स्कूल हॉस्पिटल पब्लिक लाइब्रेरी वाटर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जैसे कम्युनिटी रिसोर्सेस ने चिंगनी प्लस मसाई अखुना लेकाई लेकाई दिसो कम्युनिटी हॉल है ना मियाम की पुनफम की हॉल सरकार ना पीदना अखु युम द सेंदना कोतना लेकाई सि मियाम एनी थोदो थोक मतमदा अखुना अदु डिस्कशन तौनै नजर अदु द पुल्लगा करी नो है तानी मसी अति लेकाई खुदिंग मक्तसु कम्युनिटी हॉल पीरबनी अदुमेना कम्युनिटी रिसोर्सेस असिदा अखुना करी तवी हैगादा असिदी सिटीजन खुदिंग मक नत्रगा मसीदा लेरिबा अखु खुदिंग मक ना पैसा अतोपा अहेन अखुना थादनगा लेते मींस मसीदी सरकार मियाम की दमकता पीबनी नेक्स्ट अमुका अखुन प्राइवेट लनाई द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी अइना लनाई अइना सेम बंगम सिदी सरकार मियाम की दमकता पीरिनी जस्ट वाटर सप्लाई है अभी लोन इसिंग लेकाई खुदिंग इसिंग यौहन बंगमी मखैन मतम थारगले देन अखुन मखोइद फी गारगसु मसिदी मियाम की दमकता सरकार ना वाटर सप्लाई है सेंदना मियाम को नुंगाई हंदना अखुइ दरकार लेबा खुदिंग मक्सी वी गेट फ्रॉम वाटर सप्लाई अदुमैना मसाई असिदा कम्युनिटी रिसोर्स से साइबा मतमदा अहि खुदिंग मक्की मियाम की लेकाई की नत्रगा प्रया खुदिंग मक्की कानना बगी सरकार ना पीबा अदुगुंबा रिसोर्सेस ने So today we are discussing about the resources and their types and human resource and non-human resources. So at the last conclusion we may ask question from here whatever we are studying. So today we discuss about resource and resource. What is resource? Type of resource human and non-human resource. Today we are discussing. Here you can study what is human resource or explain the above the human resources. Study next knowledge, energy, time, skill, ability, attitude, interest. Everything you can study from your textbook. Then point answer next non-human resources money, property and material goods, community resource above asimoyi maram danang study tawtholaga adudi main point you can pick up adudi choka tawraga study tawba matamda asigi maramda non-human resource haibaga karigumba asida long answer hamlagsu 3-4 marks hanglasu nang kumbangambani then asida 7 marks hanglagasu 6 marks hanglagasu nang asigi maramda paaba matamda phajana kumbangambani aduna masai masigi ekuna asida taliba human resource ka non human resource ki matang chida masigi damaktadi asiwai the lotion